Hi you guys, and thank you for visiting Mommy is My Favorite Cook, where we make healthy recipes that actually taste good. Today I am making a sheet pan meal. It's tilapia in this little bag along with some Brussels sprouts. So if you'd like to see how easy it is to make this recipe, go ahead and like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my recipes. To show you guys how quick and easy it was to put this together. As you can see on my pan, my table's a little messy, but don't pay attention to that. I actually have inside of here just 2 tilapia fillets. They come vacuum sealed in single serving packages. So there it is. And as you can see, they are seasoned. So all I did was season them on both sides with this lemon. Ooh. Good catch, right? This lemon pepper salt-free seasoning. This comes from Aldi's as most of my ingredients. And then I have some lemon thyme also. So I'm putting 2 different seasonings that have lemon in them, except this one has sea salt and the other one has no salt. And let me turn because of the sun. All I did was season the tilapia on both sides, and then I just folded it up in some aluminum foil on one side of my sheet pan. And then I grabbed half a bag of Brussels sprouts. This is for 2 people. And I also seasoned the Brussels sprouts with these both ingredients and a teaspoon of olive oil. Now, all I'm going to do is throw this little sheet pan that I'm using in the oven on 375 degrees for 30 minutes. I'm going to take it out and show you guys the delicious meal that I made for lunch. I just took the tilapia and the Brussels sprouts out of the oven, and I must say it smells really amazing in here. I'm so excited to eat this lunch. My sister's going to be coming to have lunch with me, and I just want to show you as I open the package how amazing this fish looks. And then also I wanted to show you guys the Brussels sprouts as well. They're nice and crisp and roasted. You see that char on the bottom? Really delicious. But then here is the tilapia fresh out of the oven, and it all just cooked so nicely together. So I'm going to go ahead and eat my lunch. Remember to like this video and subscribe as usual, and definitely share it with your friends. I will be putting this up on Pinterest as well, so if you don't follow me on Pinterest, start. Also, Mommy is My Favorite Cook on Instagram, Facebook, Google+, I'm everywhere. You guys enjoy the rest of your day and stay warm if it's winter where you're from. Bye now.